Alright, guess it's December the 4th. A little bit cloudy and overcast. Fixing to open this up. Don't expect a whole lot, but I do expect some kind of black color or something. Alright, I'm going to set this over here maybe. No. Alright, here we go again. Fixing to open this up. Been 2 weeks. I've added redwood and rusty metal and water and concrete. We'll see what this experiment does. I got this set up. I'm going to cut the tape off of that and place to set it. Don't expect a whole lot, but anyway, use gloves, use that hook. I got me some black stain, acid stain, in a water bottle in case I want to do more experimenting. I'll let you know as I go, boys, girls, guys. Alright, see you. Okay, don't look like a whole lot, but kind of look like the Okefenokee swamp. Got a reddish color to it. Like I said, I ain't done nothing, no stirring. I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna take the pieces out and let them set, and then I'll show you a little more. Ain't a whole lot to jump up about right now. Alright, see you guys in a little bit. Alright, I'm out here nearly dark. Looks like I've wasted my time, your time too, but I gotta be more patient. I'm not gonna spray it with the acid tonight. It's too dark. I'm gonna wait to see what tomorrow brings, but it doesn't look like it colored anything. Except for the wood. Look how black that redwood is. Beautiful. Anyway, he looks a little darker, but I don't know. That looked like nothing touched it. Anyway, there's the water. I'll let you know if anything spectacular happens. See you guys.